Welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Nature Glamping Cabin. So glamping is sort of like camping, but it's more like your house. Like there's more things, so it's more comfortable, but there's not really the wild feeling of camping. That's true. I never really tried glamping or camping, but anyway, the stickers are so prettier, much prettier than I expected. Anyway, I saw this like animation and they were doing glamping and there was everything literally that there was also like a bathroom and television and everything. So anyway, this is Lian and she's wearing new outfits. So and there's this also like GPS in her telephone, which is really exciting, right? So her new clothes is like there's 98 written on her like clothes, kind of like t-shirt, and Nova is wearing the hoodie that we already know. But anyway, I think this glamping is very interesting because it kind of looks like a camping tent, but it's like a house. It's not actual tent, but it does look like a tent. So, and you can also open like the windows, and this glamping set looks so cute. So we have a mountain bike over here as well because the roads are rocky, I guess. This is really making me want to do glamping or maybe camping. Anyway, there's also a really adorable cat in this set as well. Isn't she lovely? Anyway, let's build this set. So next to this glamping place, we have a little picnic area, which is so amazing, right? So let's attach these things together. And okay, wait, sorry, okay. Yeah, there you go. So this is a tree and we've got lots of flowers, pink flowers. It's a flower tree. This is kind of like spring, don't you think? But now it's so hot these days. I just don't want to go out. Like I mean even if it's like in the evening, it's so hot and humid. I think the only time that it's possible for you to go out is like 7 or 8 a.m. I think that's the best time to go out. I'm still like kind of like a little bit sleepy these days because I'm waking up really early for the World Cup. Isn't it so exciting? I just love watching soccer. Anyway, it's really quite annoying because all the time the games are like 4 a.m. You know, for now there's like 4 games left, right? But probably when I upload this video, it's gonna be less than 4 games. Maybe it will be almost finished when it's time for me to upload this one. But anyway, we have a very lovely carpet over here. And what I was saying is that it's very hard to wake up at 4 o'clock. So there's like 4 games left and 3 of them it's 4 a.m. and the other one is like 6 a.m. I mean 6 a.m. is okay, but 4 a.m. is quite exhausting. And sometimes it's like 2 a.m. I mean like 2 a.m. it doesn't feel that bad, but the game is like 2 hours and it could almost like also become like 3 hours. So that means you have to sleep at 5 a.m. and that's quite bad, right? So anyway, it's really hard because of this time difference, you know, because they're doing it in America and over here it's like 4 a.m. all the time. Anyway, we finished making the picnic place. There was also a pretzel and like a water bottle. Maybe there's like hot chocolate inside and 2 cups and a very nice green basket. So outside there was a ladybug and over here now this is the inside of this place. It's actually very lovely. So in this refrigerator we have milk and strawberry. Isn't it lovely, don't you think? So we have stickers over here, so that's like handkerchiefs, I guess, where you can like dry your hands after washing your hands. So over here we're also going to put some like meow bits on top of the on top of the refrigerator for the cat. Anyway, this is the bed for Lian and Nova. Yeah, right. So there's some like belongings. I think, is that toothpaste on top of the bed? Anyway, I think like there's a notebook and is that toothpaste? Anyway, so there's also a little room for the cat as well on top of the door. Isn't that lovely? I mean, that's a little bit scary if you ask me because that's quite high, but it's quite exciting. Like, I mean, right now it does look kind of funny, don't you think? It's like looks like a cone-shaped house. It is actually cone-shaped. Anyway, there's a small bed for the cat. As you can see, there's also a drawing of 3 cats, and there's a food bowl for the cat, and there's a little tulip over here, and also meow bits. And this is like a little light so that you can also maybe do some stuff in the bed. And outside, this is my favorite part actually. There's welcome carpet as well. It's kind of interesting that there's a carpet outside the door. Outside the door, I mean not inside the door. Anyway, we have a little garden over here with like mini carrots. I mean, they're not mini, they're like buried in the soil, but there's like carrots over here and yellow and pink tulip. That's probably where they got the tulip that's inside the house. You know, there's a tulip inside the house. Anyway, there's also a watering can and some lights over here because, you know, I mean, in the forest it could get really dark, so you need as much like lots of lights as possible. So there's like these coral colored hearts, and this one is going to be the ones that's covering the house. This is kind of, this does look kind of like a cone shaped, but this is also like a window, so you can really open the windows. It really looks like a camping tent. It looks like a tent, but it's not made with like the thing that you make tent, you know, like this kind of like a, you know, it's not really made with that. It's actually made in plastic, but probably it's maybe like made in concrete, maybe, you know, kind of like a house. Yeah, it's really like a house. But anyway, it's really nice that you can really like widely open the door. But I don't think opening the door is really a good idea because there's gonna be so many bugs, you know. Anyway, we've got some pink decorations, so cute, right? And also like these coral colors, so cute. So we made one side, we have to make the other one, and there's some flowers over here as well. Isn't it so cute? A pink one and a yellow one. Oh, this one looks so great. So we made the left side one, and we have to make the one on the right. It's almost the same, but the location of the flowers, the place where the flowers are placed, is a little bit different, but it's almost the same actually. So anyway, this one is also going to have a yellow flower and a pink flower. So after we attach this one as well, that's going to be the end of the bed. Isn't it so lovely? My favorite part is the little garden outside the door. It was so lovely, and the little picnic spot is also really nice. Anyway, let's put these window inside like this. There you go. So awesome, right? So now time to put the pink and coral decoration, and now we can place this on its spot as well. So let's put these flowers. So yeah, oh, wait, sorry, I think I made it a little bit weirdly. Okay, there you go. Now it's great. So yellow flower and pink flower. There you go. Now place this on the right side, and now this set is finished. It looks so cute, don't you think? It feels so warm and nice, and I love Leanne's new outfit. And there's also a really nice carpet on the picnic spot. So I just can't wait to play with it. So what are we waiting for? Let's start playing with this set right now. This looks so amazing. I just love the inside. So now let's play with this set. So right now, Nova and Leanne, they're having a picnic. Smell of flowers, so fragrant. I love it. Let me take some photos of you. Thanks, Nova. Oh, it looks so great. Yeah, let's drink some hot choco. Isn't it quite hot to drink hot choco? I mean, it's not that hot, but I mean, hot choco, that's for winter. Yeah, so I don't know why there's like a water bottle over here. Maybe it's some sort of juice. Yeah, I guess so. Let's drink some juice. Oh, now I kind of want to drink orange juice. Oh, pretzels. I love pretzels. So cute, right? Yeah, I know. So nice and relaxing. Yeah. Cool breeze. What are you gonna do now, Lian? I think I wanna ride the bicycle over here. It looks so awesome, don't you think? Autumn would have loved it, don't you think? Yeah. Who's the character who loves mountain bikes? I think it was Zach, right? I think it was Zach. Was it Zach? Anyway, I think lots of Lego Friends characters love mountain bikes, but I think Zach loves it because Sky loves it, and like Zach loves Sky anyway. Anyway, so oh, you're so cute. Yeah, let's say that this cat is maybe this owner of this house's cat, and Nova and Leah has to take good care of her. You're so cute. I think her name was Nugget. Was she Nugget? Anyway, oh my god, this garden is so lovely. And by the way, sorry, her name is not Nugget. Her name is Shadow. So I think she's a new cat, but it's kind of weird because I feel like I've seen her before, but I feel like I've never heard of a name Shadow. Anyway, Nugget kind of looks like her. I mean, the shape is like her, but the color is totally different. She's sort of like this light beige sort of color. So now Nova watered the outside like flowers and the carrots because she needs to make sure that she like waters them so that they will grow. So now Nova is giving some meow bits to Shadow, and cats also love milk, right? So she's also going to give some milk to Shadow. Isn't it so lovely? Shadow looks so cute. I think she's one of my favorite Lego animals. She looks so adorable. I also love this black cat that was in the set, like Cinderella animal like castle set. I just love that cat. There was a big like Cinderella set. I don't know if it was like this year January. I think it was like last year set. There was like this really big castle with Cinderella in it, and there was this cat, and I just totally loved it. But that set is like quite big, But I was so happy that there was like a smaller set with the Cinderella and like this black cat. I don't really know his name. Anyway, so now Lian finished her biking and like cycling, and then she came back to this house. Oh my god, the cat is so cute, don't you think? Sleeping in her own bed. And there's also food for her on the bed as well. She's got so many things to eat. So now they are actually quite exhausted and tired, So now Lian and Nova are going to sleep. Isn't it so lovely in this place? And I just love that they can actually open the window like so wide like that. And it feels quite good opening the window because it really opens really nicely. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.